Hey everybody, today I'm excited to show you something that is a new favorite product of mine, and it is a makeup remover cloth. I just want to give a disclosure, I've tried quite a few different makeup cloths, and a lot of them are, okay, they're pretty good, until you realize later they didn't actually remove most of your makeup. Or you get the ones that are oily and they remove the makeup, but they leave this awful oily residue on your face that you eventually have to wash off with a washcloth. But I recently started using some makeup remover wipes from Colorescience, and they've actually been really good, and I'm excited to tell you about that. And to give a little bit of background, I've been a fan of Colorescience for quite a while, so I do a lot of their products that they used. And recently, they came out with the makeup remover wipes. And when I first saw that, I was like, wow, I wonder what those are like, because I see Colorescience and I'm like, ooh, shiny. Just kidding, but like really. I'm kind of the same way with Kylie Cosmetics too. And Urban Decay. I like makeup. So when they came out with these, I was super excited and thought, I really want to try those. I was fortunate enough that they actually sent me some. So I tried them. I've tried these a few times and I'm already very blown away with the results and the effectiveness of the makeup remover. So tonight I'm going to show you the effectiveness that I have seen for myself. So, without further ado, let's get started with introducing you to. I'm already blown away by the results that I've already seen and their effectiveness. And I got so much makeup off with just one wipe, which is very difficult to do with some of the makeup removers because you get rid of all of it, your wipe is completely covered in makeup and there's no more room to remove more of your makeup. It's really annoying. So tonight I'm going to show you how well it is going to remove this Halloween makeup look. My hubby and I went to a haunted house tonight, and because I'm weird, I decided to do some mermaid makeup, which I'll show a tutorial of that one soon too. But I also want to show you how amazing the Colorescience makeup wipes work. And this is going to show you how. Allow me to demonstrate the effectiveness of these wipes. First off, here are the wipes themselves, right here in this amazing blue package. These are pretty much amazing. First, they have two different sides to them, which is kind of obvious, but each of the sides are different. One side, for instance this one, has a texture to it for removing even the most stubborn of waterproof makeup, and I'm going to show you that tonight. The other side is also soft while still removing a lot of those makeup. So one side removes it and kind of exfoliates it while still making it feel clean and smooth, which is pretty amazing. And the other side is for kind of just, buffing it and making sure you get everything off. What I love about it is that it cleans off your face, even the stubborn waterproof makeup, without making you feel like you have to, scrub your skin off. Because I feel that way about some waterproof makeups. It's very annoying. But this doesn't make me feel that way. Bless you. It's also very hydrating for your skin, and I was reading up on some of the ingredients that they have in here. Aloe vera, chamomile, and it also includes cucumber extract. It's like you're getting a facial without going to the spa. Without further ado, let me show you how amazing these are. I'm first going to get started by removing my false lashes that I've been wearing tonight. And I like to spray these with rubbing alcohol to kind of sanitize them after I use them, but that will not be shown on this video. And then I wore Jewels by my eyes tonight because why not? But one of them already fell off, so let's just remove this one. And now I use some hot water. Gonna get it a little bit moist. So since I've got a lot of makeup on, I'm going to use the textured side, that's with a lot of the squares, to exfoliate my skin and hydrate it while removing the stubborn makeup. Oh, that's removing it really well. Oh, it's like a magic eraser. So I've done half my face and only used half of the wipe. And I'm still going to keep using that half to get more of it off, which is coming off pretty easily. I'm experienced, some of this makeup is pretty difficult to get off without smearing it all over my face, and this is actually catching it before it smears, so that's extremely helpful. Now after getting all that makeup off, I like to pair off my nighttime skincare routine by actually using the Colorescience Pep Up Collagen Face and Neck Renewal. I'm going to put some of that on. And this is also from Colorescience, and it's one of the collagen renewals that I actually really enjoy using. And this stuff feels really good on your skin. And voila! To learn more about these amazing makeup remover wipes, click the link in my bio or the description. And thank you so much for watching. For more tips and tricks about makeup, please stay tuned for more videos. Feel free to follow me on Instagram @MerMakeupCosmetics.